Why some homes in Phoenix sell fast and others don't. So today, that's what we're going to talk about. If you want to sell your home in the Phoenix metro area right now, it's not just about putting up a sign, it's about strategy. Some homes fly off the market, while others just sit and sit and sit. Here's why. Point number one, we want to price this smart. Buyers have options. Homes that come out overpriced are sitting, while well-priced homes are moving. Even the best-looking property won't sell if the price is wrong. We need to get that buyer activity up. Number two, present well. Presentation matters so much, especially fresh on the market. A bad listing photo, especially as your feature photo, not a good idea. It just screams, skip me. Staging, clean curb appeal, all these things get clicks, which then turn into showings, and then showings turn into offers. Number three, you must sweeten the deal. It's not just your typical buyer incentives that you want to offer as a seller. The rate buy downs, those are great. Help with closing costs, that's great, but think even more outside the box. If you have the capacity to do seller financing or even pay their contractor through escrow for upgrades that they want after closing, then by all means, go ahead and do that. Buyers love a good deal. And finally, location. You're not going to be able to fix the location of your property, so make sure that your price is in line with either a great location or a terrible location. Most properties are somewhere in between. Small lot properties versus large lot properties, huge difference. Know your property inside and out, or make sure that your agent does. Bottom line is presentation, price, incentives. These are the things that make homes sell faster, even in today's market right here in Phoenix. Homes that nail these move first and fast and get the highest dollar amount. So reach out to your good company real estate agent today, and let's make sure yours is one of the first and the highest price to sell.